So what we will eat in a low-carb diet, protein-rich, whole foods, vegetable, ito yung above the ground. Kasi pag below the ground, mas mataas ang carbohydrates niya. Actually, ang vegetable will be yung magiging carbohydrates. Yung leafy vegetable, a bowl of it, mga 4 grams of carbohydrates. Then some fats, olive oil, coconut oil. When you cut carbs, ito ang mga benefits. Insulin level drops, nagno-normalize, easier to burn fats, and satiety increases. Kadalasan ang problem sa atin, 6 times a day ang meal. Agahan, merienda, tanghalian, merienda sa hapon, hapunan, may midnight snack pa. Diba? So, bakit ganun? Ba't nagka-crave? It's the sugar. It's the high carbs. Pansinin nyo, pag kumain kayo ng mga high carbs, sugary food, after 2 hours, parang gutom ka na. Yan yung benefit ng low carb. Pag walang sugar, walang mga high carb processed food, hindi kayo nagugutom. Eat whenever you are hungry. Ito yung problem ng mga Pinoy. Pag may pagkain, hindi ka gutom, you eat. Pag hindi ka gutom, may kasama ka kumakain, you eat. May dumating na pagkain, hindi ka gutom, you eat.